and write it too. Read and write it too.
CLR प्रस्तुत करत आहे वी लर्न इंग्लिश लेसन 49. आम्ही इंग्रजी शिकतो पाठ 49. नमस्कार, मी तुमची सुनीता मावशी. तुम्हाला गोष्टी ऐकायला खूप आवडतात ना? मग चला तर आजच्या पाठात एक गोष्ट ऐकूया. ही गोष्ट तुम्हाला माहीतच असेल आणि मला खात्री आहे की तुम्हाला ती नक्की आवडेल. गोष्ट नीट लक्ष देऊन ऐका हं, कारण अधूनमधून मी काही प्रश्न विचारणार आहे.
It was a cold winter morning. Akbar and Birbal were riding their horses. The wind was cold. Akbar and Birbal were also very cold. They stopped their horses near the river Yamuna.
अकबर बादशहा आणि त्यांचा चतुर वजीर बिरबल यांची गोष्ट आहे ही. आणि या गोष्टीचं नाव आहे बिरबलची खिचडी. इंग्रजीत कसं म्हणाल? माझ्या मागे म्हणा बरं. बिरबल्स खिचडी. नीट म्हणालात ना? आणि गोष्टीत काय झालं ते कळलं का तुम्हाला? हिवाळ्यातल्या एका सकाळी अकबर आणि बिरबल घोड्यावरून फिरायला गेले होते. तेव्हा ते यमुना नदीच्या काठी थांबले. अकबरला नदीच्या पाण्यात तोंड आणि हात धुवायचे होते. आता पुढे काय होतंय ते ऐका.
Akbar got down from his horse. He wanted to wash his face and hands. He dipped his fingers in the water and said,
Ooh, the water is so cold. My hands are frozen. Oh, it's very cold. How can anyone wash in this cold water?
Yes, Huzur. I wonder how the poor people have a bath here every day. The water is so cold, Huzur.
Ha! I don't think they have a bath here. No, that's not possible. It is so cold.
Oh, but they do. Many poor people have a bath here every day.
मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, नदीचं पाणी खूपच गार होतं. अकबरला आश्चर्य वाटलं. पण बिरबल म्हणाला, ह्याच गार पाण्यात गरीब लोक अंघोळ करतात. अकबरला हे खरंच वाटेना. मग त्याला एक युक्ती सुचली. काय बरं युक्ती होती ती? ऐकूया.
Really? Well then, I have an idea.
Yes, Huzur.
I will give a prize to anyone who can stand in the river all night.
All night? That's very difficult.
Let's see, Birbal. Go and tell this to all my people. If you stand in the river all night, Badshah Akbar will give you a prize. 1,000 gold coins for anyone who stands in the river up to the neck all night.
Up to the neck? All night in the cold water? This is very difficult, Huzur.
मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, गोष्ट नीट ऐकताय ना? अकबरनी सोन्याची 1,000 नाणी जिंकण्यासाठी फारच अवघड अट घातली. रात्रभर नदीच्या गार पाण्यात उभं राहणाऱ्याला तो बक्षीस देणार होता. अप टू द नेक म्हणजे काय कळलं का तुम्हाला? म्हणजे नदीत गळ्यापर्यंत पाणी येईल असं रात्रभर उभं राहायचं. बरं, बक्षिसाला इंग्रजीत म्हणतात प्राइज. आणि बक्षीस काय होतं बरं? 1000 सोन्याची नाणी. हे इंग्रजीत असं म्हणायचं 1000 गोल्ड कॉइन्स किंवा 1000 गोल्ड कॉइन्स. तुम्ही माझ्या मागे म्हणा 1000 गोल्ड कॉइन्स. चला आता पुढे ऐकूया.
Listen, everyone, listen. Win 1,000 gold coins. Stand in the river all night. Win a prize of 1,000 gold coins. Listen, everyone, listen. Listen, listen.
Everyone was very surprised. 1,000 gold coins for standing in the river all night? Many people wanted the prize, but they were afraid to try. But one young man was not afraid. He said,
"That is very easy. I am young and very strong. I have a bath in the cold river every day. I will stand in the river all night. I will win the prize. I will get 1,000 gold coins. I will be rich. Let me go to Akbar at once."
The young man went to Akbar. Akbar told his guard to take the young man to the river.
मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, एक तरुण अकबर बादशहाची अट पूर्ण करायला तयार झाला. तो म्हणाला, मी बक्षीस मिळवीन, मी श्रीमंत होईन, मी रात्रभर नदीत उभं राहीन. तो बादशहाकडे गेला आणि संध्याकाळी बादशहाच्या शिपायांनी त्याला नदीवर नेलं. आता काय होतंय ते ऐकूया.
Very good. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, come on. Very good. Come on.
Cold. No, I cannot stand for 1 minute. The water is so cold. I am going home. I am going home.
The young man stood in the water for only 10 minutes. Then he ran away. He could not stand in the cold water. Many people tried, but no one could stand in the cold water.
मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, बऱ्याच लोकांनी असाच प्रयत्न केला, पण रात्रभर पाण्यात कोणीच उभं राहू शकलं नाही. मग एक बांगड्या विकणारी बाई पुढे आली. बांगड्यांना इंग्रजीतला शब्द आहे बँगल्स. आता पुढे काय होतंय ते ऐका.
Then a bangle seller heard about the prize. Her name was Nafisa. She was very poor. She had 3 small children. Her poor children were hungry. She said,
"Let me try. I will win the 1,000 gold coins. I will do it for my hungry children.
मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, बांगड्यावालीचं नाव होतं नफीसा. ती खूप गरीब होती. तिने प्रयत्न करायचं ठरवलं.
How can she do it? How can she do it? A woman? How can she do it? She's just a woman. How can she do it?
Oh,
How can she do it?
it is so cold. The water is very cold. But I can stand all night.
It's very cold. How can she do it? It's very cold. She's just a young woman.
It is too cold. I can't stand in the water. I must go home. No. I must stand in the water all night.
You can do it.
Come on.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. You can do it. Good.
Oh, it is very cold. Oh, my children, I will do this for you.
Nafisa stood for the whole night. Then it was morning. Nafisa was very tired. She was very cold. But she was very happy. She said,
I have done it. I have won the 1,000 gold coins.
Nafisa went happily to Akbar's court.
Huzur, I did it. I stood in the river all night.
Wonderful! Young woman, you are very brave. A young man could not do it. But you have done it. You shall have your prize, 1,000 gold coins.
Wait, Huzur, wait. Don't give her the prize. Don't give her the prize.
ऐकणाऱ्यांनो, कोणालाही जे जमलं नाही ते नफीसानी करून दाखवलं. पण अगदी बक्षीस मिळायच्या वेळी दरबारातला एक माणूस बादशाला म्हणाला, वेट हुजूर, वेट. डोंट गिव्ह हर द प्राइज. म्हणजे थांबा, तिला बक्षीस देऊ नका. तो माणूस अकबरला असं का म्हणतोय, ऐकूया पुढच्या पाठाच्या वेळी.